Have you given up on makeup because it just settles in your wrinkles? It makes your wrinkles look worse. It never gives you your result that you want. Watch this. So this is my one compact makeup. Everything that I need is in this one compact. And the cool thing about it is this is one layer. So I'm actually starting with my contour first. And this just gives me some color, creates a little bit of a shadow, kind of gives me a little bit of a facelift. And then I actually will do a little bit of color correcting. I've got some extra redness, but it's so cool just to have everything in one compact. And I'm just applying everything in one thin layer. Cream is so light and it actually looks like your skin, feels like your skin, moves with your skin, and just gives you a really natural glow. So instead of doing one flat layer of makeup and then having to add in color everywhere, this is just adding color where you need it, and the cream blends together beautifully. If you're interested in having me help you with choosing colors, you can go to the link in my bio, or you can go to beautysimplifiedbylori.com too. Just know you're going to want a bigger compact than what you think. So even if you start with the basics, get a larger compact so you can add in eyeshadows, extra lip and cheeks, some illuminator, some bronzer, and it will make your life so much easier and no more digging for a bunch of products in a bag. That's what these colors can do. Look how it creates a really natural, pretty, lit from within glow, sprayed with some setting spray. And if you don't like kind of the dewy finish, you can go in with some setting powder and just kind of touch on those areas that maybe you don't like them to be quite as shiny. Just make sure you're keeping it away from the wrinkles under your eyes. You guys, this makeup, best ever for mature skin. Nothing out there like it. Trust me, you are gonna love it.